you know what? I got some time today. Let's try it out.
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, what's up, what's up? In today's video, we're going to try a trendy hairstyle that has been popping on TikTok, Instagram, all over the socials. You guys know I'm usually late to trying certain trends, but I was like, you know what, since I'm on vacation and I got some time today, let's try it out. So it's the BOHO Goddess braids. This style has been around for a quick minute though, but usually people do it with extensions, but the trend has been to do it with your natural hair. Love that. My hair has been prepped. Let me insert some clips on how I prepped my hair. Shampooed, deep conditioned, leave-in conditioner, greased, and some braids. Now we have stretched hair. Because I also saw a lot of people do it with blow-dried hair. I didn't feel like using heat, but this is one of the ways that I stretch my hair without heat. So let's take on the braids. 3 chunky braids. I'm going to unravel and brush them out. I don't know if I'm going to brush out all. That'll be a lot to deal with, but let's see what we do. It's dry for the most part. My hair has been in these braids for about a day. When did I do my hair? Today is Tuesday. I think I did my hair on Sunday. So it had 1 day to fully dry. So I'm gonna brush this out. Oh, that feels so good on the scalp. Okay, hair is soft and moisturized. So let's just do that for all the sections so we can start the hairstyle. And guys, this style is gonna take some time. I've been trying to do this for the longest while, but I think that's one of the reasons why I've been holding off, because we got some more work to do. Let's get it. My niece isn't here to help me with the parting right now, and this is the day when I would have really needed her. But let's go. So I'm just gonna start with a straight part down the middle. You knew we were gonna start at the back section. I don't want to do these too big, and I don't want to do them too small, because I still want them to look cute, but I don't want to be in my hair all afternoon. So we're going to go with medium sized. Okay, we have the first section. All the products that I'll be using will be in the description box, so check the description box for the products that are used. So we're gonna apply the cream, detangle, start braiding, and you're supposed to take out a piece from one of the sections of the braid. So let me take this piece out. A lot of people usually put it in their mouth, but I don't feel like doing that. Let's see if that's gonna work in my favor. And then you continue braiding, and then you can continue taking out another piece from another braid, and then continue braiding. And I guess it's your discretion how many pieces you want to take out for each braid. I'm not braiding all the way to the ends. I'm just gonna curl my ends. Let's see how far I'm gonna go down. Then you curl, twirling my ends. Boom. Depends on the product that you use. You can stop there, but if you want more definition, you can go in with a gel. So I've seen videos where they do their entire head, then they go in with a gel after, or they just gel each section as they go along. But let me just see how gelling as I go along would work. So I'm just applying a gel, but the cream that I use does have some curling properties. So I'm just curling, well, twirling my hair around my fingers, and put some gel on the ends as well. First braid down, many more to go. I'm gonna do one more section on camera, and then I'm going to do this as fast as I can because I'm sweating. We're gonna apply the cream, detangle, make sure I'm smoothing the cream in, start braiding. Now I'm going to borrow but leave it out. We got that section. I'm going to do 3 on this section. Braid again. And when I'm borrowing, again, I'm trying not to take out from the same section that I borrowed from. Take out another one. Braid. And try not to get the hair caught up. Oh, Lord. Okay, continue to braid. So I'm gonna try taking out another one. This is the 3rd section that I'm taking out, each from a different section of the braid. Continuing to braid, not braiding all the way to the ends. Go in with the gel on the ends, gel on the smaller pieces, well, the pieces that I took out. So let me hold it up. Okay, braid number 2 down, and I'm gonna have to do the rest without you guys, but I'll put some clips in so you can see, because we got some work cut out for us and I need to concentrate.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your
Just as excited to see the end results as you guys, but I gotta get ready to leave the house. So I had this section left, but I gotta go right now. Gotta go. I'm gonna get something to eat. Trying to bring it to the front so you guys can see what it looks like so far. So far, so good. I actually love it. Can't wait to see what it looks like when it's done, and I don't know when I'll be able to finish it. Maybe tonight, because my afternoon is packed. See you guys whenever. I don't even know how to rock this so it doesn't look crazy. I'll probably put it back and put a scarf over the front. Yeah, let's do that, because I gotta get ready to go. Like, no. Let's go. Let me get the scarf. Time check. It's 5:09. I started around 2:30. Yes. This is a 3 or 1.5 hairstyle for me to do. I don't know how long it took everyone else or how long it'll take you to do. I'm just gonna put a scarf around the edges like this. It's the next day in the morning. Well, it's now afternoon, but so much transpired since you guys last saw me. Basically, there were intervals when I had time to do my hair, and I finished it last night. And this morning, I had to refresh or recurl the curls because I didn't like how they were looking. But I will do a week in my hair just so you guys can see how the hairstyle lasted, and I know for sure it wouldn't last. But let me not put that energy into the air. Let me show you guys what my hair looks like. And we love it. We really love it. Love it, especially when it's fresh. As I said, I just recurled the curls with some more gel, the same gel. But the humidity got to me. That's why I had to redo it. It's not a bad hairstyle. I actually like it. If we're being honest, it's not something I will do again. Just because it'll be too much maintenance for me. But we love it. What do you guys think? Do you guys love it? I love it. I really, really do. I really do. Yes, girl, I love it. Do you love it? Wow. This is beautiful. This is actually really beautiful. It's cute. Oh, let's see how the individual curls look. When I did refresh this morning, I did have some knots. That's one of the reasons why I'm not too excited about the hairstyle. Just because with my curls, they're unpredictable. Tip for this, use a hard holding gel. Please, I repeat, use a hard holding gel. I've seen a few people use mousse. I guess depending on the mousse and if the mousse really works with holding your curls, but let me give you guys a 360. So this is the front. This is what it's looking like when I wear my hair down like this. And I actually like wearing it like, let me show you. Putting all the hair to the side, but the front of the hair to the side. Let me show you guys the back. I don't know what the parts are saying, but most likely I will not wear my hair out like this. I'll show you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye.